Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you my daily cleaning routine. I have pretty bad anxiety and I find cleaning and organizing can make me feel somewhat overwhelmed. I'll start by doing one thing and I'll get distracted and move on to something else. Regardless of how much I seem to be cleaning every day, my place still felt disorganized. Certain areas of my home got looked over. I decided to make a list on my phone of daily and weekly chores to do to help me feel a little bit more organized and to get the most important things done every day. So I like to start off every morning by making my bed. I find that if my bed is made, my room looks just much better and cleaner. Today is Wednesday, so it's time to water our orchids. I do this once a week by placing 4 ice cubes in each orchid, and as well as watering the orchids, I check my other plants to see if they need to be watered. I'm honestly not very good at keeping my plants alive, so we currently don't have many. The most important area to keep clean for me is our kitchen. I do dishes every day, multiple times a day. There's something so satisfying about wiping down the counters and keeping the space clean. Today was also my day to clean the baby Brezza. I like to do this 3 times a week to make sure it doesn't get gross and potentially make my son sick. Now onto the bathroom. I'll be honest, this area is an area that I used to ignore a lot. My counters were always covered in products and the trash can was always overflowing. I like to take a little bit of time every day to clean off the vanity, put my products in their place, and give everything a wipe down. I'll do a deep clean of the bathroom once a week or whenever I feel it's needed. I love my home to smell nice, so we have a few wax warmers, one in the bathroom, and I like to change the scent every day so it smells super good in there. Sweeping the floor is definitely a necessity. With 6 cats, a dog, and a rabbit, the floors always seem to be covered in hair, cat litter, and whatever they drag around with them. This is a multiple times a day chore for me, as well as I will vacuum the area around the litter boxes because, like I said, there's always litter around and I hate it. Stepping in cat litter is the worst. I like to do at least one load of laundry a day. I really didn't have a whole lot today, which I was really happy about because doing laundry is the worst, honestly. I like to go around multiple times a day to declutter and put things back where they belong, and just do a quick tidy of every room. Tidy up his stuffed animals, take all the bottles out from the night before. Yes, I'm lazy and I tend to just leave them in there till the next day. I know that's gross. I like to wipe down surfaces and make sure everything is clean. Normally, I empty the trash cans every day, but they weren't full today, so all I have to throw in the garbage is a lovely stinky bag of diapers. When Dexter is napping, I put away all his toys he was playing with in the living room. They all come back out when he wakes, but while he's sleeping, I like to keep this space open. And again, I'm just quickly tidying up the living room, folding blankets, cleaning off side tables. Some more vacuuming and sweeping. As part of my little random tidy ups throughout the day, I'm just going through my makeup area, putting things that I used and just threw in there back where they belong. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to stay tuned for more videos. Please feel free to drop a comment so I can check out your channel, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video.